I must say, Master Hiccup, you and your team always seem to right the wrongs in this mad, mad world. With a vicious sandbuster beach closed to incoming traffic, the flow of commerce can once again commence. And speaking of commerce, Master Snotlout, I've been admiring your bejeweled weapon. Simply dazzling.
Save it, Johan. It's not for sale.
Just start with a T. Just a little just a little. Oh, okay.
And with that, I bid you adieu.
Astrid.
I need to check on Stormfly.
No, you don't.
I don't?
No, you need to stand right here and, take this in. This was my father's betrothal gift to my mother. And he gave it to me to give to you. Astrid, you're a part of our family. You always have been, and I hope you always will be. Okay. Well, if you don't like it,
Hiccup, it's beautiful. It's perfect. It's just, I didn't get you a gift. I don't know what to get.
But you did. Astrid, you got me the greatest gift in the world. You just being here with me is the only gift I need.
Hey, watch it! Ah!
Wait a minute.
What is it?
I thought I recognized it, that sword. That's not just any old sword, that's...
Vigo's. But if his sword is here...
Who brought it here?